Ever wonder what happens after a TV show ends? Fans always search for something similar, a new obsession to fill the void. But sometimes finding a replacement is harder than it looks. And for years, viewers have been searching for a show that captures the magic of. Let's take a look at some of the series that stepped up to the plate and how they measured up the series. First on our list is a thrilling drama based on the life of notorious cartel leader Griselda Blanco. The series dives into her rise to power, but while it's a compelling story, it doesn't quite reach the same level of nuanced storytelling as. And then there's a unique Australian crime show. It follows Ray Shoesmith, uh, a hitman, balancing his dangerous profession with family life. But the show excels at character development, but its tone is quite different. Less explosive, more understated. HBO's offers a dark comedic twist. Um, it offers a dark comedic twist. A former Marine turned hitman tries to reinvent himself as an actor. Um, it's a clever series with a fantastic lead performance, but it's more about redemption than descent into darkness. Um, Sylvester Stallone stars in a mob capo exiled to Oklahoma. Um, the show has potential, and a planned spin-off could expand its universe, but it's still finding its footing. It's a bit too early to tell if it'll become a classic. A Netflix thriller focuses on a family with dark secrets. It's a compelling watch with strong performances, but it lacks the same level of tension and unpredictability as became a breakout hit following a couple laundering money for a drug cartel. Uh, well, critically acclaimed, it lacked the humor, the balance, the intensity of leaving it feeling relentlessly grim. Many fans consider to be a worthy successor. And it's certainly a fantastic show. It expands the universe of, but it feels more like an epilogue than a true replacement. A cyberpunk thriller uh, shares some thematic similarities with both explore the dark side of human nature, but they do so in very different ways. Uh, it's a complex and thought-provoking series, you know, but it's not a direct comparison. Netflix is inspired by the life of Pablo Escobar, offers a gripping true crime story. However, it focuses on the perspective of law enforcement, lacking the moral ambiguity that made so captivating and spring all of these new things. And you can't quite solve it. It's a far more violent and disturbing series than pushing the boundaries of what viewers can stomach. So, which show truly filled the void left by? Um, Honestly, none of them quite did by the popular government, but It's a testament to the show's originality and impact. After all, why did the chemistry teacher cross the road to get to the other side of television history? With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,